Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Sonata headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have your new headlight assembly or replacement bulb ready. Always begin by parking your vehicle on a level surface and turning off the engine for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to replace. You will find three 10mm bolts securing it in place. Carefully remove these using your ratchet and socket. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips with a little effort. With the old assembly out, disconnect the main electrical connector and the turn signal bulb by twisting it counterclockwise. If you are just replacing a bulb, twist the old one out and insert the new one carefully, avoiding touching the glass. Then, connect your new headlight assembly or reattach the bulb, ensuring all connections are secure. Finally, carefully slide the new headlight assembly back into its mounting position. Reinstall the three 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm everything is working correctly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. This ensures your vehicle is safe and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.